Hello, kindergarten. It is so good to see you. Let's go ahead and get started on our calendar. We are at the end of the month, and our month is October. Yes, October. Let's clap together while we say October. October, October, October. How many times did we clap when we said October? 3 times. That means there are 3 syllables in October. Very good, kindergartners. Okay, let's do some counting. I want you to count with me. We have a lot of counting to do because we are at the end of the month. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Yes. Is the 28th day of October going to be a pumpkin or a candy? What sound do you hear at the beginning of pumpkin? What sound do you hear at the beginning of candy? Good. Okay, let's find our pattern. It is pumpkin, pumpkin, candy, 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 pumpkin, pumpkin, candy. What is it, kindergartners? Let's see. It is a pumpkin. The 28th day of October is a pumpkin. Good job. So it is October 28th. It is a Wednesday. If today is Wednesday, then tomorrow is Thursday. If today is Wednesday, then yesterday was Tuesday. Great job, kindergartners. Can you sing the days of the week song with me? Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. All right, let's add a popsicle stick into our counter. Ready? Okay, let's count them. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 popsicle sticks. There are 5 popsicle sticks there. Okay, in the one spot. Let's change our number. Is this the number 5? No, what number is this one? 4. Let's change it to the number 5. Is this the number 5? Yes, there is our number 5. All right, and then let's count our tens place. We're going to count by 10. Are you ready? You can use your 10 fingers while you count with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30. Oh, wow, let's do that together. Ready? 10, 20, 30. Good job, kindergarten. I'm going to put that in there so we can leave that there because that is our 33. So we have 35 days of school. 35 days. That is pretty awesome. Kindergartners, I would like to look over here at this poster. I have all the numbers up to 120. And I am going to put an arrow on the number 35 because that is where we are at in school. You've been here 35 days. So what I want to do now, kindergartners, I want to count to 35 with you. Yeah, you can do it. While we're counting, I also want to move our bodies. All right, so we're going to start at number 1 and we're going to count all the way to 35. We're going to stop at 35. Okay, are you ready? I think from 1 to 10, we should do arm circles. Okay, ready? So put your arms out. We're going to count 1 to 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now we have 11 to 20. Let's do shoulder shrugs. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. Now we have 21 to 30. Let's do head nods. Ready? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Good. Now we have 31 just to 35. Let's clap. Ready? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yay, we made it to 35. That is pretty awesome, kindergartners. Good job. You know what? We're going to keep counting, and maybe before kindergarten is over, we'll make it all the way to the end to 120. I bet you can do it. I bet you can learn how to count to 120. I do. I believe in you. All right, my kindergartners, we're going to go ahead and do some review today. Since we're on numbers, let's go ahead and stick with that. I have our number for today. The number is 18. 18. There is a 1 in the tens place and an 8 in the ones place. That is the number 18. Let's go ahead and count our 18 circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Nice job. Okay, kindergartners, do you see how this tens is all filled up? And this one isn't. It's still missing 2. This is 8, and this is 10. 10 and 8 make 18. Let's do that with our hands. Ready? 10 and 8, this is 8, make 18. Let's do it again together. Ready? 10 and 8 make 18. Just like with my cubes, if I have, let's count these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 plus 8. Whoa, look how long that gets. Makes 18. Good job, kindergartners. 18. I am so proud of you. You guys are learning your numbers so well. All right, my kindergartners, let's go ahead and look at our letter we're learning this week. This is the letter S. The letter S. Can you make the letter S with me? So you're going to go a curve around and then curve the other way. Let's do it up in the air together. Ready? Curve. Curve around and then curve the other way. Miss Richardson has to do it backwards. Curve around and then the other way. There we go. That's the letter S. What sound does the letter S make? Yes, like sun or sunshine. Do you know any other words that have the beginning sound soap? No. Start. Sucker. Seal. Yeah, there are so many great words that start with the letter S and have the beginning sound. Think of some more. See if you see any around you. Find those letter S words. Okay, kindergartners, we need to do a little bit of review with our letters. So this is the letter, actually I think it goes that way. This is the letter S. And what sound does it make? This is the letter M. What sound does it make? Good. All right, I'm going to show you some pictures. You tell me, what is the beginning sound? The word is mop. What sound do you hear at the beginning of mop? What sound is at the beginning of salt? What sound is at the beginning of sad? What sound is at the beginning of man? What sound is at the beginning of map? What sound is at the beginning of seal? What sound is at the beginning of sandwich? What sound is at the beginning of mix? What sound is at the beginning of mat? What sound is at the beginning of sun? What sound is at the beginning of 6? And what sound is at the beginning of sand? What sound is at the beginning of sandal? Good, kindergartners. You are learning your letters and sounds so well. Okay, our last thing to review are sight words today, my friends. So I'm going to mix these up today, so it's a little more difficult. Are you ready? What sight word is this one? Let's spell it together. L-I-K-E, like. Yes, that is the sight word like. Can you use like in a sentence? We like to get ice cream after school. Like. Good. Okay, what sight word is this one? I. Can you use I in a sentence? I went on a bicycle ride. Okay, what sight word is this one? Let's spell it together. T-H-E, the. This is the sight word the. Can you use the in a sentence? The children liked going to school. The. Okay, last sight word. Which one is this one? Let's spell it together. A-N-D, and. This is the sight word and. Can you use and in a sentence? I went to the grocery store and bought ice cream. Or you could say, my mom and I went to the grocery store. Or you could say, I like puppies and kittens. And good work, kindergartners. All right, my friends, I have a story to read to you. This is one of my most favorite Halloween stories. It's called The Little Old Lady Who Was Not Afraid of Anything. What does being afraid mean? Yes, to be scared. Can you show me an afraid face? Or will you hide when you're afraid? Or close your eyes when you're afraid? Yes, afraid. But it says this little old lady was not afraid of anything. The author is Linda Williams. What does the author do? She writes, or the author writes the words. The illustrator is Megan Lloyd. What does the illustrator do? Yeah, she draws the pictures. So, the little old lady, the title is The Little Old Lady Who Was Not Afraid of Anything. Here we go. Once upon a time, there was a little old lady who was not afraid of anything. One windy afternoon, the little old lady left her cottage and went for a walk in the forest to collect herbs and spices, nuts, and seeds. I heard a sight word. I heard the sight word and. Herbs and spices, nuts and seeds. Wow. She walked so long and so far that it started to get dark. There was only a sliver of moon shining through the night. The little old lady started to walk home. Suddenly she stopped. Right in the middle of the path were two big shoes. And the shoes went clomp, clomp. Can you do that with me? Stomp your feet and say clomp, clomp. Clomp, clomp. Get out of my way, you two big shoes. I'm not afraid of you, said the little old lady. On she walked down the path, but behind her she could hear two shoes going clomp, clomp. A little farther on, the little old lady stumbled into a pair of pants, and the pants went wiggle, wiggle. Can you do that with me? Wiggle, wiggle. Get out of my way, you pair of pants. I'm not afraid of you, said the little old lady, and she walked on. But behind her, she could hear two shoes go, ready, clomp, clomp, and one pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. Farther still, the little old lady bumped into a shirt, and the shirt went shake, 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 shake. You shake, 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 shake. Get out of my way, you silly shirt. I'm not afraid of you, said the little old lady, and on she walked a little bit faster, but behind her she could hear two shoes going clomp, clomp, one pair of pants going wiggle, wiggle, one shirt go shake, shake, shake. A little ways on, the little old lady came upon two white gloves and a tall black hat, and the gloves went clap, clap. Can you do that? Clap, clap. And the hat went nod, nod. Get out of my way, you two white gloves and you tall black hat. I'm not afraid of you, she said, and on she walked just a little bit faster. But behind her, she could hear two shoes going clomp, clomp. One pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. One shirt go shake, shake. Two gloves go clap, clap. And one hat go nod, nod. By now the little old lady was walking at quite a fast pace. She was very near her cottage when she was startled by a very huge, very orange, very scary pumpkin head. And the head went boom. This time, the little old lady did not stop to talk. She did not stop at all. She ran. Can you run? Run, run faster. But behind her, she could hear two shoes going clomp, clomp. One pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. One shirt go shake, shake. Two gloves going clap, clap. One hat going nod, nod. And one scary pumpkin head going boom. The little old lady did not look back. She ran as fast as she could and didn't stop to catch her breath until she was safe inside her cottage with the door locked. She sat in her chair by the fire and she rocked and rocked. Can you rock? It was so quiet in her cottage before the knock, knock on the door. Should she answer it? Well, she was not afraid of anything. So she went to the door and she opened it. What do you think she saw? So what do you think she saw? She saw two shoes go clump, clump. One pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. One shirt go shake, shake. Two gloves go clap, clap. One hat go nod, nod. And one scary pumpkin head go boo. I'm not afraid of you, said the little old lady bravely. What do you want anyway? We've come to scare you. You can't scare me, said the little old lady. Then what's to become of us? The pumpkin head suddenly looked unhappy. What's going to happen if they can't scare the lady who's not afraid of anything? I have an idea, said the little old lady. She whispered into the pumpkin's ear. The pumpkin head nodded, and its face seemed to brighten. The little old lady said, "Good night," closed the door, and whistled on her way to bed. The next morning she woke up early. She went to her window and looked out into her garden, and what do you think she saw in the garden? She saw two shoes go clomp, clomp. One pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. One shirt go shake, shake. Two gloves go clap, clap. One hat go nod, nod. And one scary pumpkin head go boo, and scare all the crows away. Sometimes birds will come into gardens and eat all the vegetables that are planted there, and a scarecrow can scare them away and save the vegetables. So look what happened to all of those things that she found that night. They turned into her garden scarecrow. All right, my kindergartners, it was so good to see you today. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you next time.